Hey, welcome. My name is Dirk, Freedom Lifestyles Academy. This video is about reposting on Instagram and how to boost your trust score. So the best Jarvee settings I can give you that has been working for us and for all our students, and I'm going to share that here with you for free on YouTube. If you're here for the first time on our YouTube channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Give us some like and love because we really appreciate it, so I can keep on going to create these videos for you. Reposting on Instagram is a great tool, is a great way to either have one main account and repost all your content on other accounts, or repost cool content from other people that in your niche that you've seen, have great content, you want to share that on your wall, or mix it up with your own content. Great way. How do you do that? What are the Jarvee settings? And maybe you run into this error that if you already do the reposting, that when you do the reposting in Jarvee, you see it's finished, it's done, it's good, but then you go to your Instagram account and you notice that there's nothing there. Instagram already deleted it. So I'm going to share with you a very ninja secret trick here that maybe you will say it does not look that great, but in the long run you will benefit so much from it. So let's dive into, let me share my screen here. This is one account, it's a brand new account, just, I don't know, a few weeks old. And I had this issue that it was just not posting. It was just not posting. I added here, let me show my Jarvee here. I did script, so you only see one account. And this is the, the social profiles. And if you see here, I have many other accounts and do all these kind of stuff, but also the reposting, right? And then if I go to campaigns where you get started, if you want to learn more about how to set everything this up, check out the course that I recommend in the description below here. I'll also add a YouTube a coupon code for you as a really appreciation here you can use it. It will give you 25% off, but in that training I will take you through the whole process of how to set everything up and how to create campaigns like this, and with always updated settings for you. So go check it out, but for now I'm going to share some really cool trick here for reposting. So what you want to do is, let me go here and I go dive into that, and then I go to history and to show everything what is posting. You see me here. Oh, you see me here, and let's go back to the account. So let me go up. You see this one. Let me share. That's this one, that one, and then we have the airplane. You see, but the airplane is all the way, well, it's all the way down there. I can't even see it. But these, oh, this is double again. This is, I reposted again. So, but you see, let's see, the dog. Is the dog there? I don't think so. The dog is not there. It was just not reposting. So the Instagram or Jarvee said that, it was on the 28th. It was reposted. But if I go here, and then you will see that, for example, that one is posted 6 days ago. It's in January, 2nd January right now, 24th. So after this picture, it should have said somewhere that the dog will be there, but it's not there. So how do you work around it? Well, first of all, there are a few things that you need to know. Is that Instagram changes algorithms. Instagram changed a lot end of 2018, and we're now in 2019. So how do you work around it? One thing is that your proxies, probably 99% sure that your proxies that you're using are not great. Even though you've been using them for a long time, they are flagged probably because many people, so many people are Instagram using proxies as well. So a whole lines are flagged. So I've been testing out a lot of proxies over the couple of last months. There's only one that I found to be really effective and will keep working, and that is when you can check out this video here up here. It's about those proxies, or click the link below in the description that will bring you to this page of buypersonalproxies.com. When you're here, you need to check out these, but check out the video where I walk you through exactly how to set things up, and where how to verify through an IP if you're using a VPS, and all that kind of stuff. So check that out. Really monthly premium dedicated proxy residential ISP. Not this one, this. That works. But combined with something else will give you a lot of, that will boost your trust score massively. So quick word, what is a trust score? Is that Instagram looks at your account, what does it do? Is there engagement? Do people respond on your posts? What is going on? Is the topic that you're using, is that also coming back in the response that you get? Is what you're saying on your account true, and does it really resonate with your audience? And how do you create it? Well, one thing that you might have noticed, that you see these videos here, and this is the secret ninja trick. Okay, you could say, I thought first it does not look that great, but what does happen? What is happening is that people will, if they see this come by, it's a video, they're so much more likely to click that. And they click that, and you get views. It is not video, it's just a picture. It's a picture with a play, but people click it. You get likes, and you get people click it, people engaging with you, right? So that is how this is a very great music, great caption. Well, and I have to respond to this as well, but it's been New Year's, I've been slowly, but I really want to create this video for you, and I'm going to show you exactly what is happening and how do you do that? So what you do is, first of all, Jarvee, and if you are not familiar with Jarvee or whatsoever, check out the Instagram training that we have available for you. Use the YouTube 25 coupon code. It will give you 20% off, but you'll get the most updated version, updated settings for Jarvee. I'm going to give you a sneak peek here. If you see, this is the Instagram Mastery course. I take you through all this automation management, VPS. I'm going to share my best funnels with you, automation settings. Too much. It's always updated. So that being said, you got to get your proxies here. When you've done that, you get Jarvee, go through the training, and then you get everything set up. You go here. What you will do is you go campaign. And now I'm just presuming that you know how Jarvee works. If not, you went through the training and you enter this problem that is not reposting, right? So then you're here. Welcome back. You go to campaigns, and then you go to overview, and then you go to advanced settings, and then you do post on wall and in story, and post image as video. Then you just click it away, and you will see that things are happening. So if I go to post list, and I hit the two avocados, and I say publish now. Now I hope it works, because otherwise I fall through. But this has been posting, so I have to wait a little, and then I hit refresh, and not there yet. Can take a while. And as you see here, it is the two avocados. It's still in progress, so I have to be patient. And let me go back. Anyway, I'm positive that works, but this little ninja trick, here we go. Here we got the avocados, and if I would take this off, it will not show up at all. But now you say, Dirk, it doesn't look that great. I know, I agree, but it is congruent. They all have it, so that was okay. You create a hole. That is great, and just do this for a month or 2 months, and then try to turn it off and see what happens. I have accounts where I did that, and the trust score of my Instagram went up. So now, all of a sudden, combination with the best proxies, this feature worked. So you can also try just first proxies and then see if it works. Sometimes most of the times it works, but sometimes it does not. Then, especially with young and new accounts, your trust score is not so high. Then use this ninja trick: add post as video and post in group. So I hope this was helpful. If it was helpful and you tried it and it worked and you're posting again, give me a thumbs up and let me know in the comments, because I really appreciate it. If you have any questions, also drop them in the comments here below this video. I'm there to answer them for you. And if you want to learn more about Jarvee, definitely check out the course. Make sure to use the YouTube 25 coupon code, because I really appreciate you diving into my videos. And you know, we can build in 2019 an awesome Instagram community, and I love to share with everything that I know. But besides that, if you like my comment, give me a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to our channel. And I see you in another video, and I wish you the most beautiful, best new year 2019 you can imagine. Talk soon. Bye.